mapunta naman tayo sa heart. Ano, may occupant ba? Ready for occupancy or under renovation ang puso?
Meron. May mga bagay na if you really treasure something, someone is very special to you and something is very important to you, you protect it from the unnecessary noise, diba?
Very understanding and supportive naman siya. Ano siya behind the scenes. And anong lesson sa love ang talagang ina-apply mo? Yung natutunan mo through the years?
Love is a decision. Hindi lang siya parang
Hindi siya lang siya
emotion, na
choice.
kilig-kilig. It's a
Oo.
choice. It's a decision. When you commit to it not because happy ka lang, but when you accept it, you accept also the not very colorful ones. Diba? Kasi it's not always rainbows and
Hindi mang
butterflies.
Disneyland. Oo.
Opo, hindi siya parang fairy tale. Hindi
Oo.
siya rainbows and butterflies. As long as you know yourself, you know your partner, it will be a roller coaster ride because it's not rainbows and butterflies. Yun.
May marriage plans na ba kayo?
Lahat naman tayo, tita, merong pangarap na ganyan. In God's perfect time.
Pero sa tingin mo, talagang nahanap mo na the one siya na.
Sana!
Ang lucky naman niya. Sana ma-meet namin. So he's not from showbiz?
No, no, no.
Paano pag may pumaporma sa'yo tiga-showbiz? How do you stay away from temptation? Kasi nga you're taken.
Ako kasi, bilang dito na ako lumaki sa industriya,
Oo.
ayoko sa artista.
Pag nakakaumay na, dito na yung work ko, pati love life ko, dito pa
kapag may
rin.
ganun, parang medyo...
Friend zone na agad.
Opo.
Nagka-boyfriend ka artista, di ba?
Before pa, before.
Si Jake, no?
Before.
Pero you're in good terms now.
Civil,
You're friends also with the girlfriend, si Ina.
wala namang time na nagkatrabaho kami, nagkasama kami. Parang minsan nagkasalubong lang, nagkatagpo sa isang photoshoot, ganon. So parang, hi, hello.
It wasn't a bad breakup naman with Jake Vargas. Or bata pa
Nung
kayo
bata ka,
noon.
tita, parang hindi mo pa naman alam konsepto ng good and bad breakup
Oo.
yata nung time na yun.